Genuity Wealth App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Genuity Wealth is a digital investment platform designed to help users build and manage diversified portfolios with ease. Many investors assume wealth apps come with high fees, but Genuity Wealth keeps its pricing clear and competitive. The app is free to download, and users can start investing with no account minimums. Portfolio management fees start at 0.35% annually for accounts under 0, and they decrease for larger portfolios. This fee covers automated portfolio rebalancing, goal tracking, and tax-efficient strategies. It's within the portfolios have low expense ratios, typically between 0.5% and 0.3%, keeping overall costs very reasonable. Most people get this wrong by thinking low-fee platforms lack advanced tools. The surprising truth is that Genuity Wealth provides interactive dashboards, personalized investment guidance and projections for long-term financial goals, all included in the management fee. For more hands-on investors, premium features allow deeper analysis, including scenario testing and risk-adjusted portfolio optimization. Genuity Wealth also emphasizes goal-based investing. Users can set goals like buying a home, funding education, or preparing for retirement. The platform then recommends portfolios tailored to each goal, simplifying decision-making and keeping investing aligned with personal objectives. In conclusion, Genuity Wealth App pricing is straightforward, transparent, and designed to give real value. With fees starting at just 0.35% annually and access to low-cost apps, investors have professional-grade portfolio management without hidden costs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, Genuity Wealth offers an affordable, intuitive, and goal-focused approach to growing your wealth.